Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now! Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. This item's been going viral for weeks, and for a good reason. The performance matches the hype, and the quality feels top tier. Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. So many people are talking about. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. It's been trending for a reason.